Hey everybody, good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
Now my voice is clear, right? Hi Pushpendra, good afternoon. Suraj Jaiswal, Pujita, Praveen, Anup, everybody, good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, Ravi.
Voice is
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
okay, guys. Listen, today onward, I'm not going to upload the video on YouTube, right? I will give the drive. I will upload in my drive. I will give those people who is joining the sessions, right? I will give those people links, right? Okay, guys. They can access the videos, but everyone I can't, right?
Sure, sir.
Because see, boss, here live interaction also need. Okay, na. After then. I will give access permission, but I will upload those video in my drive, okay na? And that link I will give you people and just access those people that videos, nothing more than else. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Whoever will be there in the meeting, those people can access. I will give that access permission for those people only, right? Except that I will not give access permission for everyone. For the reference purpose, I will give the access permission to you people, okay na? Who will join the sessions every day. So because here, in the meeting also the need yeah interaction because after I seen that, right? The people is watching that video when they are getting the doubt, they are putting inside that group. So come to live, right? Come to live at the time of explanation. If you get the doubt, I can clarify, right? At the time, whenever I'm there, see, boss, I won't have that much time. Monday to Friday, right? My office work also there, as well as my family and each and everything is there. Just I'm giving my services. It's not meaning that I will available for you people every time, right? So I will give those people only access permission who will join the session every day, right? Because in the Zoom meeting, right? And that things is there. I can observe who can there in the meeting and all those things. Okay, guys. So let's 3 minutes still is there. Let 3 minutes also will complete. Others people can also join. Today we are going to start new model, right? Today we are going to start new model, Spring Rest, and this is a very important, guys. Okay, na? Very important these modules. Okay. Don't worry, I will make these modules also too much understand, right? Understandable format. It's not meaning that I will teach like that the people will not understand. Okay, na? So because whatever content I'm delivering you people, I know that. Okay, na? Just when you people will start to work in the company, then you people will realize which kind of content I'm delivering to you people day to day, daily basis, right? Single day will not complete without touching whatever content I'm delivering to you people. Okay, a single day will not complete. It's challenge. So Hi, Amit. Good afternoon. Yeah, you're Delhi. Okay, now don't worry. I will even just start once. If you are already working person, right, then you can understand my content. Once if you not still unemployed, right, when you will get the job, then you will understand this content value. Okay, now then this content value, then I understand. And I know that who is doing the job, right. Definitely those people will watch what our video. Okay na, our video, because that kind of content I'm delivering, yaar. Okay na, in the, yeah, Manjulata, good afternoon. Okay na, that kind of content I'm delivering. Okay na, this content by paying also, you people will find, right, but they are doing the business, right. In the business, whatever necessary thing is there, those things also the people are teaching, and whatever unused things is there, those things also the people is teaching, right. Okay, yeah, good afternoon everybody. Pushpen, he's good now. Okay, na, he's good now in the heart, right? The stunt, doctor put it stunt, right? 98% blockage was there. Okay, now he's good. Doctor given the relieving also him. Okay, na, he's now there in the home. Okay, guys, let's start the session and we will discuss this. Okay, na? Today we are going to start what is that spring rest, right? Spring rest, and I will tell why we are using the spring rest and each and everything, and who learn with me, right? Sorry, restful services. Today model will help a lot those people. Okay, na, one or two people are there. Okay, don't worry. Again, after completing the session, I decided, right? I decided, guys, who want to put gap as experience, right. Just believe on me, I decided to give the session every day also. I will take morning, evening, and I will deliver who want to put 3 years of experience in your life, right. So don't worry, I prepared myself. Just give the time until unless if I'm not completing Spring Boot Core and Spring JPA, Spring Boot JPA and Spring Boot MVC, right? Till you people wait it. After then, when I will complete in Spring Boot these three modules, right? After then, suddenly I will start one real time project, right. A real time project, the people can put that project in your resume, right. Minimum 3 years, 3 years people can maintain with my project. Okay na. But if anybody want like 4 to 5 years experience, they want to maintain it, don't worry about that. But I will give that project. Okay na. And in that project I will explain each and everything. You people will become experts there only. And there also entity relation, how the we will design the table first. Database tables we will design it. After then DFD we will design it. Front end also full stack, I will make you people full stack developer. Okay na. So okay, just believe on me, and definitely I will help you people as all aspect, guys. Okay na. I have too much knowledge, it's not meaning that I have the knowledge, it's okay na. But the thing is how much you people are doing the practical and hard work, that is also matter, friends. Okay na. So from your side also need what is that, hard work and cooperation, plus what is that, dedication, guys. In the life, until unless if dedication is not there, if dedication and hard work is not there, right, if God also will come on the earth, they can teach you na, then you people will not understand anything. Okay na. So this is the reason. Okay na. So do hard work, understand the things, analyze it. I will teach Angular also, right. I will teach because when I will start my project, right, when I will start the project, guys, at the time, I will implement front end I will implement using Angular only. But before that I will explain Angular also. Angular 11 I will explain it, guys. And it's my challenge, once if you listen my Angular, right, definitely no need to listen anyone, you people will become expert. Because I will compare Angular also with the Spring Spring framework, like how we are working in the Spring, right? Like that we will design the pages, and each and everything I will, whatever things I will write, I will tell, because of this I am writing, because of this, because here one class is there, in the Angular one component is there, based on that component, okay na, those things, okay na, those things, each and everything we will learn, guys, okay na. So okay, let it be, let's start our session, okay na. Today let's start our session. What is that? Spring rest. Today our new model we are going to start. What is that? Spring rest. But wait till now, until unless if I'm not completing what is that Spring Boot, I'm not going to start my project on what Spring. See, today still Spring annotation driven projects are there in the like, but our future is what is that? Total Spring Boot. Prepare yourself on Spring Boot only, right? Spring Boot only. Now you people are struggling, right? But once if you started work on Spring Boot, because after 1 year there is no project will be there on what Spring also. All project will move on what Spring rest, Spring Boot, because because of Spring Boot we can able to work on what microservices, because of that, okay now prepare yourself and just learn one front end technology, Angular, okay na, Angular need. And see boss, I don't have that much time, okay na, otherwise I only will teach Angular also, but I will cover that much things in the Angular. People can start their works, okay na, don't worry. But until unless if I'm not completing in Spring Boot and in Spring Boot, Spring Core, Spring Data JPA, and what is that, Spring MVC, these three module, when I will complete it, okay na, then I will start what is that one project with, but based on that project you people can maintain 3 years gap, okay na, 3 years gap experience you people can maintain it, okay na. But not more than that, project will be not there for what, who can put 4 to 5 years of experience, okay na. For that another project also need for them, okay. So okay guys, Spring rest, okay na. So what is the need of Spring rest, okay na. Before let's understand, based on that, here what we are doing, that whenever we are developing our Spring MVC, in that what is that Spring, in the Spring MVC, like think about that, what is that, client is fixed, guys, okay na, client is fixed, okay na. Means what is that, in the Spring MVC, like whenever we are interacting with, means client is only browser only, right? Client, this is the client, means what is that, browser only, from where we are making the request, okay na. Like what is that, just what is that, this is the Facebook is there, right? Our Facebook is there, okay na. Inside this, what is that, this is the CBOS, these are the links, right? These are the links button, okay na. This is the links button, and this is the how we can make it the request. In the Spring MVC, right, I said that using browser we can make the request using what is that, URL, by clicking what is that, clicking link button. These are the link button, guys, okay na. After then another one, by by putting what is that, form data, okay. Let's log out it, okay na, let's log out it. Okay, I logged out, okay na, my account. So here this is these two input field is there, until unless if I'm not putting my what is that, email, username and password and login button. This is nothing but what is that, guys, this is nothing but what, login form, right? Login, this is the login button, okay, login form. So logging form, how which kind of we can make the request. This is the login form, is post kind of request, okay na. But by clicking on that, right, by clicking on that, what if we click on that links, right, if we click on these links, right, these links are there, right, these links is there, okay. Whenever we are clicking on the link, means which kind of request we are making, get type. And by using what is that, URL, by using this URL, which kind of request we are making, that get type, guys, okay na. So using browser, right, using browser we are using these things, okay na. So So this interaction will, what is that, client to server communication. We can say that what is that, client to server communication. Okay, now this is our browser Chrome we are using for that, right? Chrome is the browser only. So and this one is what, this thing, this one will become, what is that, server, guys. Okay, now server. So using browser, how many way we can make the request? Clicking URL, using URL. Another one is, what is that, link button, and another one is what, form, right? Another one is what, form. Okay, so but the business need, guys. Okay, but the business need, our business need is what? So but here what is there, this is the Java application, right? This is the Java application. This Java application syntax is different. And what is that, if but our other application, if our means, if we want to extend our businesses, right? If we want to extend our businesses, what we have need, right? To interact other applications also with our application, right? With our application. So if another application want to interact with, means, think about that key, other application is, what is that, Java. This our application is Java application, but another application is, what is that, .NET application. .NET application. Okay, okay, another PHP application, right? In this kind of situation, our application, how our application will interact with the Java? Because Java syntax is different, guys. And what is that, .NET syntax is different. Both are for the web application purpose only, we know that. Okay, na? But both application, what is that, syntax are different. So how we can communicate? We can't communicate it with our Java application. For that what we will do now, in the worldwide, every programming language, what is that, every programming language decided, okay, let's decide one programming, one language which our object will convert in what, one common language, and that common language can understand each and every language. Okay, na? Yes. I will come to on that point, Anup. Okay, na? I will come on that point. Okay, na? So for that, okay, guys. Okay, so for that, okay. So but how .NET and PHP will understand for that? What is that, global format, right? So GLO, global, right? GLO spelling is correct, guys. Global. Okay. Global format data, we have need to convert that data in the, what is that in the global format. So those global format data, which one global format data are there? JSON data is there, JSON is there, and what is that, XML is there. There are two languages are there, right? So these two languages, what these two languages will understand, what is that, each and every programming language data, right? Every programming, this common data is there. So these two data will understand .NET also, PHP also, right? PHP also and Java also. Okay, na? So for that, okay. So to understand, Java people is given, what is that, Java people is given, what is that, REST API, right? REST API. So here we are working on that. What is that, Spring REST framework? Internally, what is that, Spring REST framework is working on, what is that, REST only, guys. Okay, na? So just example, let's understand what is that. Let's understand JSON data and XML data. For example, we have the in the Java class, right? In the Java class, just think about that public. This is our Java class. Okay, public class, employee class is there, right? Employee class is there. Okay, employee class is there. Inside that employee class, what is that, private private int emp id is there, guys. Okay, na? Emp id is there. Another one is, what is that, private string, right? String, what is that, emp name is there, right? Emp name is there. Other one is, what is that, private string double double emp sal is there. Okay, na? Emp sal is there. These three fields are there, guys. Okay, na? So okay, so if we want to convert this data in the JSON or XML format, okay, na? If we want to convert this data in the XML or JSON format, how it's look like, let's see that. Okay, now how it's look like. Okay, so similar to this object, if we want to convert this object in the JSON format, let's see that. Okay, now so I'm going to convert this. What is that? Java object. This one is nothing but what is that? Java object, right? Java object, okay na? Java object. This is a Java object. No, I want to convert how. Let's see that how it look like in the JSON format. Same object, how it look like in the JSON format, guys. Okay na? So if we want to convert this data in the JSON format, open bracket, curly bracket and a close curly bracket. Okay na, guys? After then, what is that? EMP ID is there, right? So for that, what will be happen? Double quote EMP ID, same attribute name, guys, same attribute name. After then this symbol, after then this is which kind of int, right? Int. So 101 I'm giving, okay na, comma. After then another one is, guys, what string EMP name is there, right? String EMP name is there. Okay, EMP name. Okay, EMP name, just I'm taking what is that, some favorite person. Let's see that who is the, okay, let's take Padma name only, okay na. So okay, Padma, okay na, Padma. Okay, so string data type, guys, string data type will become in the JSON like this, okay na. After then another one is what is that, another one is what is that, okay, another one is what, double, right? Double EMP sal is there, right? EMP sal, okay, EMP sal is there, okay, guys, EMP sal. After then what is that, colon, another one is what is that, salary. This is the salary, means integer data type, okay na, just 20.2, okay na. So this is what, this is na, if we want to say that, if we want to say that, if we want to say that, okay, fine, right? Yeah. Okay, if we want to say that this is what is that, this is what, JSON data. What is that? This is the employee JSON data, right? Employee JSON data. No. Okay, no, it's if we want to convert this employee object in the XML data, right? How it's look like, how it's look like, let's see that, okay na, same only, let's see that, okay na. So for that, what is that, root element, it will become what is that, employee, another one is open bracket close bracket, right? Employee, okay na. Inside that, what is that, open bracket, what is that, EMP ID is there, right? EMP ID, okay na, close EMP ID, right? EMP ID, okay. After then what is that, 101, okay na, 101. Another one what, okay, another one what, EMP name, right? EMP name is there, okay na. EMP name, close EMP name, right? EMP name, okay. After then what is that, Padma, okay, fine, guys. Another one is what, what, EMP sal is there, okay na. EMP sal is there, EMP sal, close EMP sal, right? EMP sal, okay. So okay, fine, what is that, 20.0 like that, okay na. So this data is what, XML data, employee XML data, right? One employee XML data. So guys, if we give this data, right, if we give this data to another programming, like another programming also having their own API, who can read this data, right? Who can read this data, and they can extend the businesses, guys, okay na. They can extend the businesses, guys. Just only one thing understand, guys, to why we are using the RESTful services or Spring REST, okay na, to expose our data, to expose our application data in what, XML or JSON format. Why we are converting our JSON or our object data in the JSON and XML format? Because our Java syntax is different. If we give Java syntax, okay na, may other programming language, what is that, syntaxes is different, that programming language will not understand our Java object. Because of that, we are converting our what is that, Java object in the common language, right? Common language. What is the common language? In what is the common language, guys? XML data, sorry, JSON data, and what is that, XML data, right? XML data and what is that JSON data. These two data is what is that global format data. We are saying that what global format data. Okay na, because of that what we are doing now, what we are using that Spring REST. Okay na, Spring REST. Okay na, Spring REST are RESTful services. RESTful services means what, API. And what is that Spring REST is what, framework. Why we are just think about that. If anybody is saying that guide, oh I am a Spring framework developer, okay na, so never forget my only one word for you people, never forget the fundamental guys in your life. Okay na, because anything is there based on the fundamental only. Okay na, if Spring framework also core Java only. Okay na, core Java only. Okay, so until in the company, if you be people will become what is that senior project manager lead. Okay na, that time also core Java need. Okay guys. Okay, so core Java based on that Spring framework. Just think about that. If you have need to go 2 kilometers, just think about that. You can go there by walk also, by cycle also, by bike also. Okay guys, by bike also. Okay, but if you go by walk, how much time you will take? 2 hours. Think about that. Just minimum guess time is 1 hour. Okay na, to reaching 2 kilometer. By cycle if you go 1 hour it will take. By bike if you go just half an hour, 20 minutes. Just think about that. Okay na, so for that same like we can develop our application using core Java also. But if we develop all things we have, we only need to take care. Okay na, so means it will take much time, too much time, and a client won't have that much time to give what is that to developer. Okay, so because of that we are using what is that Spring framework. By whatever work we are doing guys, okay, and those using core Java also we can do it. It's not meaning that we have need to write each and every logic, right? After then using API also some work will reduce, like what we are doing now. By just I said that if we want to reach, if we want to go 2 kilometers by walk also we can go, means by core Java also we can develop, means we are going by walk. Okay, after then one another one is what, by cycle also we can go, same like by restful using RESTful API also we can do these kind of things. Okay na, but still it will take much time. Okay na, still it will take much time. And same work using what is that Spring REST module, means Spring RESTful services also we can do it. Then here it will become what is that bike. Okay na, same work we can do using Spring, but effort also less here. And what is that, we can give more productivity. Because of that what we are using is Spring framework, any framework, not a Spring framework only guys. If we talk about any framework, for that only we are using. Okay na, inside that framework also we are writing the Java code only. Okay, so if anybody is misguiding you, okay na, by teaching what is that high level like framework, no need to learn core Java, no need to learn API. Okay na, see boss, if you know ABCD, your own capability will become what, to write Apple. Okay na, no need to help, take the help others also. Okay guys, so this is the my point of view about what is that the software, whatever my experiences and all those things is there guys. Okay na, I seen that people are misguiding the people. Okay na guys, I'm using what is that Zoom free meeting. Okay na, this meeting is giving me just 20 to sorry 40 minutes. Okay na, after suddenly the meeting will end. Okay na, don't go anywhere, return back and join again the meeting. Okay, join again the meeting and connect with me. Okay na, learn the Spring REST. Okay na, Spring REST is more important than anything, any model guys. Okay na, so okay, so now okay, let's move on and let's see that. Okay, now let's move on. So for that, okay, let's understand what is that Spring RESTful flow. Okay now, based on that Spring RESTful flow only we can work on that. Okay now guys, okay now guys, so for that, okay, so what is that, let's understand what is that, how we understand what is that Spring MVC flow, right? Is Spring MVC flow, same like here also, same like is there, but little bit difference is there guys. Okay na, difference is there. who attended what is that spring MBC, those people will catch easily. But don't worry, once if you people also will do one time, only one time, what is that practical, then the things will become easy, guys. Okay na? So don't see anything once if you start, right, first time it we are not understanding anything, guys. Okay na? So don't worry about that, just habituate it. Okay na? Too much good life is there inside what software sector, but initial hard work is need initially, because suddenly when the baby is born, the baby don't know anything, right? So how he is growing in this earth, then he is analyzing the things and he understanding the things, he the what is that baby will learn all those things. Okay na? Same like, okay na, no one is the perfect on this earth. If anybody is saying that I know each and everything, no. Okay, so okay guys, let's okay now, let's understand what is that rest flow, right? Rest flow, rest flow. Spring rest flow. Okay, so okay guys, okay, so what is that, let's understand what is that, let's understand. Okay na? So client, whenever client will make the request, client in the rest terminology, guys, client may be Android phone, phone. Okay na? Android phone are what is that client, right? Browser are angular application, are what is that in the phone. Okay na? iPhone also and the phone, normal phone also. Okay na? Any client can be, but here what is that, only browser will be there, guys. Okay na? In the spring MBC terminology, what is that, only browser is there, but here any client will be there. Okay na? Any client will be there. Okay, so for that, what is that, when the client will make the request. Okay na? When client will make the request, okay, so this request will go where, front controller, right? Front controller. Okay na? Front controller, guys. Okay na? Front controller is nothing but what is that, front controller is nothing but what, this is nothing but what is that, front controller. Okay guys, front controller. Front controller. Okay na? Front controller nothing but what is that, dispatcher servlet. Okay na? Dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet. Okay, yes, dispatcher servlet. Okay na? Client, whenever the client will make the request, it will go to dispatcher servlet, guys. Okay na? After then what is that, our dispatcher servlet will call whom, handler mapper. Okay na? Our dispatcher servlet will call whom, handler mapper, guys. Okay, handler mapper. Okay, after then what is that, handler mapper. Handler mapper will call again whom, handler mapper will call again whom, our controller, right? Controller class. Okay na? Controller, developer controller. Okay na? Developer controller. Okay, so fine guys, this is the controller. This is what is that, controller. Okay na? This is the rest controller, not a controller, rest controller. This is what is that, rest controller. Okay na? Based on with based on the path, right? Based on the path HTTP method, right? HTTP method. Okay, based on that what HTTP method, here in the HTTP, what is that, just class, our class, whatever we will write that class plus what is that, restful. RESTful, okay na, RESTful plus what is that class plus what is that Java class plus RESTful services, RESTful services logic will be there in this class. After then what will happen, suddenly this class will call one object, right? This class will call one object, okay na, this class will call one object. That class object name is what, guys? Object name is what is that? Here I'm writing, okay na, response entity. Response entity, okay na. In the response entity, guys, okay na, in the response entity there are two parts are there, okay, there are two parts are there, okay guys, okay, there are two parts are there. How many parts are there? Two parts. One part is there, what is that? Body, okay na. Inside that body we are writing what is that? Entity, entity, entity or data, okay na. After then what is that? We know that I will talk about that what is that status also. And in the what is that, in the another portion, what is that? Http, what is that? Status. In the response entity there are what is that? Two parts are there, okay na, body part and status code is there, right? After then what will happen now? By taking these things, okay na, by taking these things what will happen again? Response, okay, okay na. Again what is that? Our controller return back what is that? Response whom? Dispatcher servlet, right? Dispatcher servlet, okay na. This is the dispatcher servlet, okay guys. Here see, here there is no resolver, guys, because why we are not returning back what is that? We are not returning what? Any pages, UI pages, okay na. Because of that here there is no what is that? In the rest terminology there is no what? Resolver, okay na. There is a no resolver. After then what is that? Dispatcher servlet again will return what is that? Response. This is what is that? Response, okay na. This is nothing but what is that? Response, guys, okay. So response, this is what is that? Request, and this is what? This is the response, okay na. And this one is what? Network. Okay, this is the network, okay na. So means what is that? Network. This application can run, this application will run another server, guys, okay na. Because of that here server to server communication will happen, okay na. This client will run in another server, and this application means provider, this application will be running in the another server, okay na, another server, okay. So in the case of okay na, here what is that? This one will become what is that? Provider. This one will become what is that? Provider, and this one will become what is that? Consumer, right? Means this is the providing our services, and this person is consuming our what is that? Services, okay na. Based on this one we are extending what our application businesses, guys, okay na. Because of that we are using what is that? Because of that we are using what is that? REST, okay na. So this is the flow of, okay na, this is the flow of our RESTful services, okay na. This is the flow of our RESTful services, guys, okay na. So let's, okay, so how many way we can make the request, okay na, how many way we can make the request, and how, what annotation we will use, and all those things. Let's actuality, let's deep dive in the actuality, guys. I'm not going to explain